What's up guys, Pony Diamond here. Guess where I'm at? I'm at a casino actually. I'm not much of a gambler, just so you know. Superstar. So check this out, man. I know you guys been watching my videos on my YouTube channel, Pony Diamond, and I'm flattered, alright? I'm really from the bottom of my heart appreciate you guys checking it out. And just so you know, I'm the kind of guy that I don't forget, you know, who put me here. Okay, so if you guys ever want to start your own YouTube channel, man, hit me up. I can help you as well. Take over the world, man. That's the name of the game. And what I was thinking is that, you know what, just to commemorate this entire week that we have such a crazy ass week, why not just compile the whole damn videos, or you know, including the IG promo trailers and stuff, put them all in one video, you know, just real quick, just kind of recap throughout the whole week. Superstar. Remember what I said, man. You guys hit whoever, you know who you are, whoever hit me up on Instagram. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it, you guys hitting me up and, you know, chatting with me or asking questions, things like that. You know, I believe in taking over the world, man. If I make it and you want to start your own shit, you know, I'm gonna back you up because you're with me right from the start. So shout out to you guys who hit me up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Link in the script in the profile if you're from Instagram. Other than that, if you like Lamborghini, hit subscribe. If you like supercars, hit subscribe. And if you like super trucks, hit subscribe. Of course, you love entrepreneurship, bullshit like that, you know what to do. It's coming. Hit subscribe. Do it. This is bullshit. Do it. Send me a better towel. This is bullshit. Keep that out, man.
That's awesome.
Shameless plug. Here's my cameras. About making videos, guys, is that you get distraction. Flexing. You get another one. So this roof right here is gonna come off. This is where I'm gonna remove the roof. Face off. With all that bullshit, sometimes you get to do this. You know, we're actually moving. Big John! What's up, bro? Let me introduce you guys to my wife's car. 2 stories on this. Of course, you know that. Leave it to an India on. Look at that. That was fucking. This bullshit! Mango! Anyone you guys want to buy these street glide wheels? Right there. Let me know. Mango. If you love Lamborghini, hit subscribe. Do it. Now it's a whole different look. Everything in boxes. Hit subscribe. 3, 4, 5. You know what? Since I opened this one first, this is a Steve Vai 7-string guitar. Just so you know, you can also $7,500 bucks. Feast your eyes. That's a tremolo bar. $500 bucks. $7,500 bucks. $7,500 bucks. It's also not a sticker, not it's carved, as you can see. Check it out. It's Excalibur. Just like the Lamborghini. It's an acrylic guitar. And it's actually, see how it's 3D inside? The sperm, kryptonite. I know, man, childish, but you know what, man? The truth is we never grow up, if you ask me. You know, I don't think I... Also, I'm gonna be, you know, on the road with Mango and my wife. Do it! So the car transporter guys are here. Hit subscribe! Do it! Do it! So it looks like these guys are here to pick up the car. How you doing? Good. How about you? I'm good, man. This vanilla ice. So I use the towel for yeah. Diamond Beast into that hole. One of those special moments, you know. Wait a minute, no. Actually, they're gonna lift this from here to here.
You should sign over as a present.
I'm gonna miss you though.
I know I'm gonna miss you.
It felt like I'm getting repo. That's what it felt like. Right. No, I love you or okay then. Thank you so much. Good luck. Shit, you know. You got my baby, so I gotta kiss your ass right now. Real good. Go away. Bye. You can see Diamond Beast leaving. Hit subscribe. Guys, I'm late to that meeting. Pony Diamond here. So yesterday there were truck transporters right here. Do it. As I'm looking at him, I stay far away now. So shout out if you're watching this on the toilet. Enjoying the video. Oh shit! Shit face type telemarketing. You're the one? Yep. Today?
Room 1, first room.
Alright. Oh, that shit. You don't have banana?
We only have banana.
No shrimp fried rice flavor?
No shrimp fried rice.
You know, my doctor, his name is Dr. David. And he's extremely cool guy, very cool guy. So I had to warn him that my channel has a bit of profanity. You know, he's not that kind of guy. Awesome job, thank you. And for that, you get this. Right there. You see how the gap right there? Shut up. This is bullshit.